Times are changing and AI can help you create amazing fashion shoots for your brand without spending thousands of dollars, looking ultra realistic and the best with your real life products. And today I'm gonna teach you how to use AI to create amazing editorial style images that look ultra realistic and you'll be able to use in your ads, campaigns, in your social media and even on Pinterest, like images you're seeing in the screen right now. I'm not only using Nano Banana 2 because it's cheaper, but it's also because it's great to integrate your real life products inside of fashion shoots, editorials, or any images. It's able to follow your prompt, but also to reference your real product inside of the images we're gonna create. So now let me show you how you can create editorial style AI images at home to promote your brand or affiliate marketing products. I'm using ImagineArt, which is a complete AI image and video generation platform with all the best image and video AI models, so you have it all in a single subscription. Now, I will be using Nano Banana 2 to create the images, and I will show you step by step. So in this case, I just created some products to use in the campaign. Then I created a mood board on Pinterest with the vibes that I wanted for my images. As you can see, let's say it's a collection inspired by tennis, all the Grand Slams that are happening this summer. So this was kind of the inspiration. Okay, so I was actually doing some trials here to see if my prompts were getting the right vibes. So I'm gonna copy here my first prompt and we're gonna click here on add image. And we need to upload our reference. So all you have to do is click to upload and you're gonna select the files. Because I already have them here, I'm gonna simply, because they are my recent uploads, I'm simply gonna add them. So here's my model. I'm just gonna select the model. And then I'm gonna select also my outfit. So it's this sweater, and I also have the skirt. So here are my reference here. I'm gonna use Nano Banana 2, which is less expensive than Nano Banana Pro, but still gives good quality. I will go with something like 4x5. I will go with 2 generations. And just because this is just for the tutorial, I will simply go with 1K, but when you do it, you can go with at least 2K or 4K, so you can have really good quality images to use for our campaigns. So let's simply create it. Okay, so here are the results, definitely the vibes that I was looking for. And you can see it's also my product, so it's the sweater and also the skirt. I have this first one and also this other photo with also my model. So this is the first prompt. I'm gonna generate 4 other images just to show you a little about the prompt. I had the information about the woman, her outfit, and also something about the place. So I wanted a red clay court. I also wrote about her pose, and you can use simple normal language here. Just give information. You want your images. I wanted that it was very good vibes and happy and some kind of naive. So I described all of that. For my second prompt, I'm gonna use always the same model, but I'm gonna change the outfit. So for this outfit, so I'm gonna leave the model photo here. I'm gonna simply add, or I had uploaded the other skirt. So I'm gonna upload here, and for the top I just want a white cropped top. So you can see my prompt here. Again, I have the information. I'm saying that is the one from the reference, and I also have the information about her outfit and a simple white cropped top. So I want it in an editorial fashion photography on a red clay card. So let's generate this one. Actually, let me change here. Let's also get some 16:9 photos. So I'm just gonna generate it here. Okay, so here are the generations. Actually, I'm gonna generate as well 4x5 also for this image. So we have a little more material to work with. I'm just gonna show you the photos bigger. Actually, the vibes that I wanted, even though I see 2 records here. Okay, this one is gonna be need to generate a new one, but this one is actually looking good. I have one. It's kind of something a little vintage. Really like the vibes. So this one we could definitely use it. I'm gonna start saving the ones that I like the most. Oh, this one I really like. The idea of the record over here, really like this one. very much what I wanted. So now I'm gonna move on to the next one. And for this one, I need to have the sweater. So I'm just generated one that is 4x5, and I also will go with something like, let's go with something like 9x16 that we could use for social media as well. Okay, so here's the photos that it generated, really the vibes that I wanted, even though the skirt, this was not supposed to be here, but over there, but yeah, also not here. Wait, let's do it again, because actually the logo was supposed to be up and not here. So if it was actually a real product, it needs to be in the right place. So that's why I'm generating it again to see if we can get the right one. So this one I actually had to generate quite a few times because the embroidery was showing the wrong place. Then I wasn't really liking how the legs were. So I generated quite a few of those until I got to the ones that I actually liked. So here's another prompt. I just changed the skirt to the white one, and let's generate this one. And here are the results of the image. And for this one, I actually want the green screened outfit, so just generated in the last one. So here's the results of the last one. It's quite nice. And the results are incredible. They look like ads, they look like a campaign, or they can also look like a real lifestyle photo or a Pinterest style image. Now in total, I created 42 images, and from these 42, 26 would actually very ready to use, just to be transparent. So you know, you probably need to generate more images that you're going to use. Now at this point of the video, if you still need to upgrade your product photos, I will show you how to transform simple phone photos that you do at your home into great, amazing, high quality product photos for your listing. So make sure to watch this next tutorial that I will teach you everything and how you can do it easily with AI.